This Baahubali sandwich looks fantastic. You can see these nice layers of veggies, paneer, potato. It gets nice crunchy from outside and nice moist and juicy and cheesy from inside. Subscribe to Madhura's recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making Baahubali sandwich. The term Baahubali itself means giant. This is a very popular Indian street food and it contains a layer of vegetables. This is basically 3-tier sandwich. Very big, very huge, but taste super awesome. So here's what you need for this recipe. We need paneer, 125 grams of paneer cut into small chunks, boiled potato, so this is boiled potato peeled and then mashed, corn, this is boiled corn, capsicum. I'm just going to eyeball all the ingredients, so it's really up to you. If you do not like any of the vegetable in this recipe, you can completely skip that out and add the veggie of your choice. Sliced tomato, sliced cucumber, finely chopped onion, some crushed black pepper, sandwich chutney. The recipe for sandwich chutney is available on my website as well as on YouTube channel. Just browse on YouTube with the name sandwich chutney and with the tag Madhura's recipe. Some Schezwan sauce. I also have a recipe for this homemade Schezwan sauce on my website as well as on YouTube. Some mayonnaise. Recipe for mayonnaise is also available. Some mozzarella cheese, some cheese slices, chaat masala and roasted cumin powder. Along with this we need lots of butter and really big bread slices. Now let's make this paneer stuffing first. So I'm going to take this paneer cubes or chunks into a bowl. In this goes in finely chopped capsicum, boiled corn, little bit of crushed black pepper, chaat masala, mayonnaise, about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and Schezwan sauce. Now if you do not like things spicy, you can completely skip out on Schezwan sauce or mix that in. Now that our stuffing part is ready, now let's assemble this sandwich. So first things first, so here I have taken this large bread slices and first I am going to butter them up. Butter needs to be at room temperature. It's really important to butter your bread slices so that whatever chutney that we put over this butter, so that this bread slice don't get soggy after putting a layer of chutney as well as sauce. Now after butter, next we'll put a layer of this sandwich chutney, just a little bit, and some Schezwan sauce as well. Lovely. Little bit of sandwich chutney and Schezwan sauce on all bread slices, on one side of all bread slices, not on the both sides. After that's done, now let's start to assemble all these bread slices. So first we'll put a layer of boiled potato, add a generous layer of this boiled and mashed potato, top this up with some finely chopped onion, and sprinkle over some chaat masala for taste, crushed black pepper, roasted cumin powder, and top this up with a slice of cheese. Now in the next layer, top this up with some sliced cucumber and tomato. Again, sprinkle over a little bit of chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, crushed black pepper, and of course, slice of cheese. Again, put a layer of this bread. And I'm going to top this up with this paneer filling. And of course some shredded cheese. This is mozzarella cheese that I'm using here. And now close this up, and now it's ready to go over griddle pan. Griddle pan is nice and hot, so first add in some butter and place in this nice huge Baahubali sandwich over butter. With the help of spatula, just give it a little push so that it gets cooked nice and evenly. It looks perfectly grilled underneath. Now again put some butter on the top of this sandwich, and it's a fun part, that is to flip this over. Let's see if I can do this. Ooh. View. Yes. And now let this grill from other side as well. And this giant Baahubali sandwich is all set to plate up. Superb. Look at the layers, look at the texture it has got. It is nice and crispy. Ooh, let me quickly take a picture of this and then we'll cut this open. And let's just divide this in half. This has turned super crispy. Superb. Look at this. And here this Baahubali sandwich looks fantastic. You can see these nice layers of veggies, paneer, potato. It gets nice crunchy from outside and nice moist and juicy and cheesy from inside. Now I know it is high in calories, but it's okay to have this once in a while. So give this Baahubali sandwich recipe a try, and if you like this, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.